the old dumpster. Oh, it's gonna be loud. Yeah, that's metal. Yep. Alright, here it goes. The trucks are new. It's gonna be loud. A little bit. Oh, there's more right there. Those are new, but the ones the guy here is pretty old. If I was a garbage man, I'd be working the front loaders. Front loaders? Yeah, the one you remember the one by us? Yeah. I might be working the front loaders because they're way better. I don't mind working the back loader as well. Yep, that's the new one, of course. So they can lift like you see that ring under there? Yeah. Yeah, that's to lift up like if this didn't have a tipper, they have to use that. Just one more right there. Yeah, it's just one more. Oh, that's it? Oh, wow.